This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 1099 NEC. First, understand its purpose. It's used by businesses to report payments of $600 or more to non-employees, like independent contractors. If you're a business, you'll issue this form. If you're a contractor, you'll receive it. This form is crucial for accurate tax reporting for both parties, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations and proper income declaration. Next, let's focus on the payer information section. Here, you'll accurately enter the full legal name, street address, city, state, and zip code of the business making the payment. Don't forget to include the payer's federal identification number, which is typically an employer identification number, or EIN. Double-check all these details to prevent any processing delays or errors with the IRS. Now, move to the recipient's information. You'll need to enter the full legal name, address, and the recipient's taxpayer identification number, which is usually their Social Security number, or EIN. The most critical part is Box 1, where you report the total non-employee compensation paid during the year. This amount should be $600 or more for the form to be required. Accuracy here is paramount. Finally, let's look at the remaining boxes and filing. Boxes 2 through 7 are for state and local income tax information, including state tax withheld and the payer's state identification number. Fill these out if applicable to your state's requirements. Remember, the deadline to file Form 1099 NEC with the IRS and to furnish it to the recipient is typically January 31st. Timely filing avoids penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.